Say hi to the vlog. I just told them that we're doing a gaming challenge this Sunday, aren't we? On live stream. Yeah. Well, we won't do all of them. No, yeah. We'll do like maybe 3 of them. Because if we do all of them, we'll be up all night. Just a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. Alright then guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Hope you enjoyed this mini vlog. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I will be back tonight. Bye. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened there. My phone just turned off. So I'm just making a stir fry, not stir fry. I'm making a minced capsicum dish for dinner tonight with rolls, which they're cooking in the air fryer. So that is what I'm doing for dinner tonight. I did want to show you a haul what I got from Kmart today. But part of the haul is I'm going to be doing one of them to do my art channel. So I will show you. If I don't show you tonight in this vlog, I will definitely show you tomorrow, because as I said, I'm going to be back filming Thursdays and Fridays from now on. So that is what I'm doing. Just cooking this really nice dish. Just going to cook this mince, make sure it's well cooked. I'll just show you. It looks really good. I normally have my stand while I'm filming, but anyway. So now I get to add the capsicum. And I'll cook that right through. I'm going to start doing cooking vlogs with you guys, cooking shows. Just adding the sauce. Sometimes it gets stuck. Just gonna grab there we go. And the good thing about this dish, you can actually keep it for the next day as well, for lunch. That's what me and my fiance does. I think that's enough sauce. Just going to show you how I dish it up for dinner, and yeah. So these are the rolls I've just cooked. 2 rolls. And then this yummy dish. Looks so yummy. Tastes so delicious. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my cooking, and I will show you another vlog tomorrow. So if you like my vlog today, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I do shows Thursdays and Fridays. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to let me know when shows are up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this Sunday we're going to do a live stream with me and my fiance Ben. Talk to you then. Bye.